While India has successfully built a reputation as the world's back office and manufacturing center, it has lagged behind in creating global brands that resonate beyond price competitiveness. China's rise is a masterclass in brand building. Pop culture phenomena like TikTok, e-commerce powerhouses like Alibaba, PopMart, and tech brands like Huawei, Xiaomi have reshaped global perception, making mobile to car to even a pen is transcending the made in China tag. It's an open secret that China is strategically planning for the next century with a clear goal to build and own the world's top 1,000 brands. In the near term, the focus is sharper to establish at least 100 leading global brands within the next decade. In today's episode of Logistically Speaking, I will share what India is missing in terms of brand building and what we can learn from other countries who have cracked the code. China's unique approach combined aggressive domestic innovation with savvy global marketing. TikTok, launched in 2016 by ByteDance, became a global social sensation by 2023 with over 2 billion downloads worldwide and a valuation worth 300 billion. It not only showcased Chinese digital creativity but created a platform amplifying Chinese product and culture globally. As per psychologists, personality these days is the sum average of the last 10 reels you have watched. So, the impact of social media app like TikTok is immense, where it can change the culture and along with it, the buying pattern of any nations. Chinese factories leverage TikTok and other social media to showcase their production processes, then cost transparency and innovation, directly combining with global consumers, even circumventing some US tariff by selling directly on platforms promoted via TikTok. This approach boosted brand awareness and challenged Western incumbents. Companies like PopMart, which built a widely popular blind box craze from simple idea, demonstrate how China's rising brand muscle can thrive even amid tariff through strong IP, viral hype, and carefully positioned branding. Their sales and profitability continue to climb despite trade headwinds. Chinese companies also excel in integrated supply chain, enabling rapid product iterations aligned with consumer preferences, differentiating their brands through quality and affordability. Their strategy is holistic. From manufacturing to branding and distribution, they control the entire logistic chain, ensuring both agility and sustained growth remain firmly in their hands. Despite breakthroughs in sectors like IT services and pharma, Indian consumer brands struggle to establish strong global brand equity. A startling reality is revealed by analysts. Many Indian brands are often mere rebranded imports from China or other countries with minimal original design or value addition. The widespread use of Chinese manufactured CCTV system across India's infrastructure and offices have created serious security vulnerabilities. Many of these devices are suspected of containing backdoors in their chipsets, potentially allowing sensitive data to be transmitted back to their country of origin. India's manufacturing focus remains on cost competitiveness and low margin products, leaving marketing and brand building efforts trailing. Limited investment in R&D, marketing infrastructure, and intellectual property protection further inhibits brand creation, which result in our manufacturing to basically a screwdriver level, meaning only based on assembling and not based on design and product development. This gap represents a lost opportunity. Globally powerful brands generate higher revenues, create more jobs in creative and high value sectors, and improve a nation's soft power. Countries like South Korea and Japan pivoted decades ago from OEM manufacturing to owning strong brands like Samsung and Toyota, who are prime examples. These firms invested heavily in design, global marketing, technology, innovation, and customer experience. Even small players like a Scandinavian furniture brand IKEA leveraged global storytelling and supply chain efficiencies to transform from maker to a brand icon. The lesson is clear. Brand building requires enduring investment, global vision, alignment of innovation and marketing, and government industry collaboration in intellectual property and export promotion. Strong domestic and international brands create a virtuous circle. Better margins fund innovation and marketing, which fuels global competitiveness. In 2025, global brand value is estimated to contribute over 30% of GDP in mature economies. For India, increasing brand presence in consumer durables, fashion, tech, and digital services could generate billions in incremental revenue and, of course, the employment growth. Improved brand building can also mitigate tariff and trade impact risk by fostering consumer loyalty and market access. India's growth story will be incomplete without evolving from factory of the world to brand builder of the world. But this requires greater incentive for R&D and innovation, strengthened intellectual property frameworks, collaborative export marketing and storytelling, leveraging digital platform to build emotional connections globally, and have strong focus on design and build on product. India has the talent, market size and entrepreneurial spirit, and now it's time to nurture and project that in global brands. If you found this insight valuable, please like, share, comment your favorite Indian brand stories and subscribe for expert analysis on India's trade and industry evolution. Thank you and see you next week.